Welcome to our channel. Today we how to uninstall 1Password browser extension and remove Vault access step by step clearly. To uninstall the 1Password browser extension, start by opening your web browser. Locate the extension or add-ons section in your browser settings. For Chrome, click the three vertical dots in the upper right corner. Select More Tools, then click on Extensions. Find the 1Password extension in the list displayed. Click the Remove button next to the 1Password extension. Confirm the removal when prompted. Next, you will need to remove Vault access. Open the 1Password application on your device. Log into your 1Password account if you aren't already logged in. Navigate to your Vault settings by selecting the Vault you wish to modify. Look for the option that allows you to manage access or permissions. Select the user you want to remove access from, if applicable. Confirm the action to revoke Vault access. If you wish to ensure complete privacy, consider deleting the Vault entirely. Finally, close the 1Password application. Restart your web browser to complete the uninstall process. You have now successfully uninstalled the 1Password browser extension and removed Vault access. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.